can be stymied by software locks or conditional warranties. When his tractor breaks down, farmer and mechanic Matt Dull told PM earlier this year he must wait for the authorised repairer.
Well, it means downtime and means you don't always get the crop off when you require it under the best conditions.
Now there's hope for change, with the Productivity Commission tasked with a one-year inquiry into right to repair. Professor Leanne Wiseman is a legal expert from Griffith University.
It's a very significant step for Australia, and looking at the terms of reference that the Productivity Commission has, it's very broad.
The inquiry will examine planned product obsolescence, competition in the repair market, and access to software embedded in products.
The ability of consumers to reuse and repair their goods will mean, put simply, that there'll be less going into e-waste and really open up the aftermarket, which is currently skewed towards the manufacturers who have excessive control over spare parts and repair information.
The European Union already has laws making repair easier and cheaper, and several US states have considered legislation. Here, some manufacturers are represented by the Australian industry group's Tennant Reed.
This is an area that is important, the repairability of existing products, and our concern in engaging with it is going to be to ensure that the result actually does help to make the best use of our resources, and that the costs of achieving that are manageable.
That's Tennant Reed from the Australian Industry Group, ending Annie Guest's report. A disgraced funeral